I used to use this absolutely disgusting scrubber that worked okay until I was gifted the GRILLART scrubber. And right now I understand it also looks disgusting. I get it. But what I love about this is that this piece is actually washable. So I can just pop it right out, and then I can wash this by hand or toss it into the dishwasher, and you get two. So here's one that just came out of the dishwasher, so much cleaner. And then I just pop this one in and I'm ready to go. What's really nice about this before I use it is that it is stainless steel. I do have the additional bottle opener, which is really handy. It feels really good in my hand, and I love these little notches. I actually use them a lot when I'm cleaning. Let me show you how well this works. And if I didn't already say it, I was gifted this at the beginning of summer. We're nearing the end of summer. I have used this so many times. I love it so much. All you're gonna do is get it wet, and you don't have to get it soaked, just wet enough. Get your barbecue hot, and then watch the magic. Within moments, it takes off most of it. Anything it doesn't take off, I can use the scrapers on. And what I really love about these scrapers is that you can really hook under the grill a little bit too to really get in the crevices, really gain it as clean as you want it. And then I'll usually get it wet again and just keep scrubbing. And with this, my grill gets cleaner than it ever got before with so much more ease. I specifically love using this right when I finish cooking, so my grill is clean for next time. This time I burnt a bunch of stuff onto the grill so I could really put it to the test, and it does such a beautiful job. It's so nice. I have really loved this, and I definitely reach for this every time I need to scrub my grill. The GRILLART brush is an incredibly impressive product that you would never guess how much you'd love.